friends, we're so glad you're with us again today. It's been a super busy week because we just got back to school. I'm a teacher and school just started, so I've been super busy. But today I got home from school today and saw something very cool that Dean made, so stick around, that's what this video is all about. But if you are one of our friends that likes to just see Dean and I being silly and maybe see our grandbabies or Hamilton or something, and you're not interested in this little contraption, then you can stay all the way or skip all the way to the end and check out our cute little grandbabies helping Papa unload some firewood. Otherwise, this one is all Dean's, and I'll see you next week.
Well, September's here, and it's time for me to start thinking about how we're going to keep this house warm. Fortunately, it is just a tiny house. We've got a little wood stove, but I want to be thinking about making life a little easier for me. You know, allegedly, they once asked Abraham Lincoln, if you had to spend the entire day cutting wood, what would you do? He said, well, I'd spend about 8 hours sharpening my axe and 2 hours actually doing the cutting. This is a great principle for me. You know, as I get older, I like to figure out ways to make things a little easier. I saw something the other day that I thought, I bet I could do the same thing. It involves free wood, just a little bit of my time. I'll show you the results here in just a second. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to start with cutting every other board. All right, the next step is simply to cut off the parts that I don't need up here and just leave the one slats all the way through. Let's get it done. The next part is just to turn over the entire thing and cut off the back side of all of those so that all I have is just the slab left. I'll show you in just a second what I mean by that. All right, so this is what I have left. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other one, only I'm going to save these along through here, and we're going to go every other one again, but I'm actually going to save the outside ones this time. All right, the final thing to do is to put these two sides together and show you how it makes a nice little sturdy place for me to cut wood. In fact, I'll even give you a couple of examples. And it's as simple as that. Hope you've gotten something out of it. Please consider subscribing. We'll have other neat little things like this as we continue to build our homestead. Look forward to seeing you again. Take care. We'll see you soon.
Hi friends. We are out at the property today, and Noah is here and Elijah is here. Where are you? Down there? Okay, and MJ's here. Say hi. Noah and Elijah are going to help us empty some firewood over here for, well, you know, we live in this tiny house and it's got the wood stove. So we've got a bunch of firewood that we're going to be unloading. The boys are going to help, so let's get it done.
Okay, what do we need to do? So we need to grab these and put it over there?
Just hand them to your mom and I, and then we'll go stack them over here on the other side. Okay?
Okay. I'm strong.
Yes, you are.
We don't want to go. I'm just crying.
You need some help, MJ? Say help, please.
Help, please.
Okay, this way. Here we go. Let's see how fast we can do it. See if you guys can be faster than Mom and Papa. And some of these are pretty heavy. You're gonna have to use your muscles for sure.
This one?
Yeah, that's
easy.
Oh, really? That's a heavy one. One hand, huh? Pretty good.
One hand. Yeah, no, it's strong. Put it right in front of my nose.
I like how I didn't even bother, though.